in assembling one of these processing tables, a lot of people have been talking in their views that it don't go together right. So you've got a couple of these washers. The first washer goes in the hole. Then you got the little drain pan, it goes in there. Then you have, I don't even know what this thing's called, but look, the sink drain fitting. You put the other washer in there like this. And then what you do, you got this screw and this nut, you bolt them together, sandwiches it together. It comes in underneath, and then you tighten it up. So the nut for that bolt actually locks in. So you can just use, and the only tool I've used so far is a little Swiss Army knife. All right, the next thing you're gonna do is you got a smaller black washer, and then you've got the drain. You can put the smaller black washer on there. All right. And then just screw the drain on. And I'm sure you could probably take this on and off for traveling, but I'm going to try just to leave it on. Okay? Look at that. And that'll go straight in my little bucket, or you go off the drain, but I'm going to stick it in my little bucket. Okay?